Good morning. It is a new week again. Woo! Oh, JDM, he's on the board. Yes, it is. JDM is on the board. He beats Andrew Westner and Davion this morning. Thank you for the lightning. Andrew with the rose and the heartbeat. He came out firing this morning at JDM. That's funny. That is funny. Good morning, everybody. Todd Batty got me. Oh, I love it. He's in it to win it. We got to put him on the board here. Hold on. Good morning, everybody. It's a new week. JDM is net. So we got Andrew with 3, Davion with 2, and JDM with 1 in the rankings. I'll catch up. Oh, that's funny. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, KK. Good morning. I am Marcus King. Good morning, Marcus King. Yes. Sarah, good morning to you. Let's go, babies. Let's go. There he is, Mr. Dave. Good morning, everybody. How did everyone enjoy the game yesterday? If you call it that. Junior 5, someone please block him, Junior 5. Good morning, Katana Lim is in the house. It's Jakey, City Man. Good morning. You come in here demanding, you're going to go bye-bye. Oscar Urbano to the moon. Let's go, baby. Yes. So I dropped my, while you guys, we got to get to 10,000 likes and we'll get this party started. Dropped my daughter off at school this morning, and I see the owner out there with Miss Maria. She's got to be in her 60s, and she has this big shovel, and she's breaking up the ice by the entrance. So I said, what are you doing? She goes, my landlord sucks. So I said, give me that thing. So I finished it for her, and then I said to her, I want the number of your landlord. I'll take care of this for you. So she gave me the number of the landlord. Now the landlord's going to get venom, and he's going to hear from my lawyer. Lino Rocha with the lightning. Gills with the rose. Carrie with the heartbeat. Davion, there he is with the heartbeat. JDM had his finger on the button this morning. He's coming for you guys. Here he comes with the lightning. Good morning, Kate. What's up, everybody? Tap share, tap share. Good morning. Are we awake? It's Monday. We're back to real life. JDM got first. I don't even think I put the I don't even think I hit the live button. Somehow that gift came through. JDM got into the system. I could have stopped laughing. I was waiting for it because I remember today. I was like, where's JDM? Boom! Right on the money. Oh, that's funny. Good morning, guys. We're going to get started here in 1 minute. I love you all. Amazing family we have here. We're at 9,000 likes. Good morning, everyone. My name is Voss. Hope you guys are doing well. I hope you had an amazing weekend. Now it's time to get back to work. Here we go. Miss Market. If you're here for the first time, all we ask you to do is tap the screen, share the live out, and sit back and write our numbers down that I give you, okay? They're right on the money. The SPY. Here we go. We have a little gap up here to the upside right now. We have room up to 608.42 on a daily, technically. But we're going to see what our whip zone is going to give us today. Right now, we know we are in a wide state to the downside here with a little gap up. We currently are in position 2 here on the SPY. I'm going to zoom this out so you can really see the clear picture, okay? You're at 604.38 to the upside right now. On the 5-minute, you have the 200 as resistance to the downside at 603.71. As we head up to our 15-minute chart, you're a little far from your MAs here on the 15, so you're definitely going to get a pullback on this first. On the hourly, we have room up to our first pivot, 605.50. 605.50, then 606 on Miss Market this morning. He is narrow. Remember, our 20's got to catch up, okay? We're also a little too far from our MAs on that 15-minute charts. Remember, this is not financial investment or tax advice, but it's pretty much damn on the money. You must trade at your own risk. Thank you for the follow, Robert Crack. Craig, I appreciate it. Any symbols you want to see, put it in the chat. The Q's. Let's see. All right, let's do the Q's. Q's are in the same boat as us, SPY. You're in position 2 to the upside. Your 20's under your 200. 20's got to catch up. On your 5 minutes, same thing. Got support with your 200 beneath you at 526. On the 15, too far from your moving averages. On the hourly, once you get a pullback first on this, you have room up to this pivot right here. 529 on the Q's to the downside under the whip zone, under 522. You have room down to 520, 519.50 right here. That's where your 200 is, okay? On the Q's. Shell Bell. What's up, Shell Bell? Google. I must say, I did fall asleep during the Super Bowl. I have to admit that. We are in a neutral state right now on Google. All right, neutral. A little narrow, but we are in position 2 to the upside with the Powder Hound ski slope. You got room on Google up to 190.61. Possible poke through to 191. Mark that down. To the downside, you look clear. On the 15, you're near your moving averages. You're probably going to go up and touch that 200, so just be wary. On the Google, you also got your hourly 20 right there. 190.68 on the hourly. On the 5-minute, 190.68 right there. Major resistance at 190.60 for Google to the upside. So you can look for a pullback on that as well. But it's going to the moon. Nothing goes to the moon. Nothing except Buzz Aldrin. Tenny Flows. What's up, Tenny Flows? Make sure we're tapping, guys. If you're not tapping, you know you're napping. Let's go. It's Monday. Nothing's supposed to look good today. MU. We are in a neutral state on MU. You're in the whip zone. You got to get over 93 up or under 91.59 down. On the 5-minute, there he blows. 93.62. You got the granddaddy. You tried it 1, 2, 3 times already, and you got a big move to the downside here, okay? 93.62 to the upside. Major resistance on MU. On the hourly to the downside, you will have room down to about $90, under 91.59, okay, on MU. I like it to the downside, to be honest. What else are we looking at? Meta! Witta wanna wetta. Let's see what we got here. Meta, narrow. Woo! Meta, you're narrow. You are in position 2. Could this be going to the moon? Let's see. You look good on the 5. On the 15, you look good. On the hourly, this is going to clean it up. You have room on Meta up to 723. Mark it down. To the downside, you're not going real far because right here you got your 20 at 7-Eleven. Remember that number? We are over 7-Eleven. Woo! Mark Meza with the lightning. The heartbeat. Kate with the team bracelet. User with the lightning. Candy Strine with the rose. Kate with the goat. I love it. I love it. TikTok put that gift in there for me. The goat. Nvidia. Let's go. Look at this whip zone. We go, whoop. I thought Nvidia was going back to zero. I got you, Meat Daddy. Meat Daddy! I got you, Mr. Dave. Don't you worry over there. You just keep tapping and sharing that YouTube out. We're in a narrow state on Nvidia. Position 1. Oh, it looks good. Look at this. 15. Here we go, Nvidia. You got room up to 130.50. 130.50. If we get over 130.50, we got room up to 134 on Nvidia. Nvidia wants to make its move. I like it. I like it. Let's check the daily on this. Yep. Just be careful on your daily, everybody. You got your 20 here at 131, all right? Got to get over that 131 on the daily. User with the goat. Toad. Toad with the team cheers. Andrew Westner and Toad with the team cheers and the goat. R. What did you want to watch here? Apple first, then RBLX. Apple, you're in a wide state. Can't believe Apple put their name on that halftime show after that disaster. Right now, we are in a We are in a wide state. We are in position 1 on Apple to the upside, but your 20's way down here, guys. You know you're not going anywhere. Apple, you got room up to 230.68. Granddaddy, 230.68. 15, you're clear. 230.56. You got your 20 on the hourly. Major resistance there. Your 20's below your 200. 20's got to catch up. To the downside on this, you're in a wide state. You're not going to go very far. You got room down to 226.70, okay? 226.70 on Apple. I know likey on Apple right now. I know likey. You're going to need some patience today. Are you guys going to be able to do it? You're going to need some patience on a lot of these stocks today. Isn't this considered a bearish wide state, right? A bearish wide state? Well, it's a wide state, all right? And it can't be bearish because you're in position 1 to the upside. You're just in a wider state to the downside here. RBLX first. I got you all, don't you worry. You guys just keep tapping, and I'll get everything for you. We got a flat 200 on RBLX on a 2-minute here, okay? But Voss is the 2-minute show. That's how you find your state, yeah. We are in a neutral state above 67.28. You got a flat 200 right there. Who sees it? To the moon. Under $65 to the downside right here. Guys, when we say to the moon, we're just joking. We're making fun of all the amateurs that do that. On the 5-minute, you have room on RBLX up to 68.22. That's major resistance right there. To the downside, you still look good. 15-minute, hourly. So this is an interesting thing we have going on here. Under the whip zone, you want to get under 65. You'll be coming off an hourly 200 down to this pivot right here, okay? Down to $60. That is a major number right here. Watch 65. Under 65, okay? To the upside on RBLX, above 67.32. you have room up to 68.22, your 5-minute 200 right there. Mark those levels down. I like RBLX to the downside here. After what you need on RBLX is a pullback through here and then get under that 65. And then you could go for quite a ride. Candy Strine with the coffee magic. Yes, it is. Starbucks and then Microsoft. Microsoft, you're in a neutral state. You're right at this pivot up here. You see it? You are in position 2 currently. On the 5-minute, you look good. 15-minute, you look good on the 15. On the hourly, yes, it is on Microsoft to the moon. You look good here on Microsoft, okay? Just be careful. And here's why. The state that you're in, neutral. It's not narrow. If it was narrow, you would get a good move out of this. It's going to be a little choppy because you're at the all-time. Remember, 70% of all new highs, which you just made, fail. Powder with the coffee magic. Powder. 2 down. PLTR, new CEO at Starbucks. So, doing good things over there. He said he's cleaning up that menu. There's too much shit on it. I could have told him that. Haven't I been saying that on here for a while? Haven't I been saying? We are in a narrow state on PLTR. Above 115 up. You got to get over 115. Under 110.71 to the downside. Oh, we got Valentine's Day coming up, right? Oh, no, we're going out Wednesday night. That's right. If we don't get 10 inches of snow again. On the 5 minutes, PLTR under 110.71. You have room down to 108.79. Watch that. Granddaddy of them all right there. Above 115 to the upside, you have room up to that 5-minute pivot, 116.30. 15-minute. You look good. Hourly, yeah. To the downside on PLTR, you have major support, okay? To the upside, above 115, you got room up to 116. All right? What state are we in, everybody, on PLTR? Neutral, narrow, okay? You'll get a good move out of this today. Thank you, JR, for the follow. XRP. What happened? Let's take a look. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Who got in up here? Who got in up here? Goo-goos. Who got in goo-goos? All right, so you have this move to the upside. You're under the 50%. Our VIPers know. I said this a couple days ago. Remember, if you get under the 50%, you're going lower. And that's exactly what happened. You're hanging on for dear life right now on XRPR. Your next stop, though, will be back down here to 219.36, okay? Right around here on the daily. If you get under that, you're coming to that pivot. You get under that, you're coming to that pivot right there. XRPR, what happened to all the craze? Toad with the coffee. Come on, crypto kitties. What's going on here? To the moon. Oh, those damn. I love it. All right, where are we at? BBA and Tesla. BBAI and then Tesla. Here's another one. Big Bear. The next amateur craze. Let's see what we got. They'll learn eventually, folks. They will learn. See, the problem is with amateur traders and is that they're not consistent. So what they do is they look for home runs because they know that they can never be consistent in the market. They know that. They don't have the discipline to do this. So what they do is they look for Hail Mary stocks. Rich quick scheme. Can I do this? I mean, if I get in here, I may go to the moon. Oh, it's a better than losing every day. That's true, guys. That's what it is. And that's why they start with the penny stocks. 929 on Big Bear. We are in position 2 to the upside. 15, you got this pivot right here, okay? 931 hourly is going to give you the same pivot. You got a double top up here right now currently, and on your daily. How far are you from that 20? Yeah, you'll be pulling back on this. BBAI. Big Bear. Qualcomm. Damn, that Voss always knows what he's saying. How is that possible? Because I used to look for the home run. Right? What's the next best thing? The scanner. The scanner trading. It's the biggest scam in the world. What's the scanner say? Let's look for the scanner to pop something. And let's chase it to see if it rips up. It never goes your way, ever. We are in position 2 to the upside on Qualcomm. There he is, the granddaddy of them all. 169.17. You got a mad granddaddy, especially if he's a Chiefs fan. So be careful right there to the upside on Qualcomm. On the 2-minute, you are way far. You're in position 2. Bring it back. We don't have to go any further. Next. I made 30K off BBAI. No, you didn't. Let's go, Tesla. Tesla, let's go. We are in a wide state on Tesla. We are in position 2 to the downside. On the 15, need a pullback on this. Too wide. Too wide. Bring it back. Your next, all right, right now you're at this pivot, 358.50. That's tight. Your next stop here is 357. That's major support, 357. Mark that down. You are in this wider state right here. Do you see it? Do not take this down. Do not take this down. Bueller, what's up, Barb? Arbor Arming, good to see you. Carlos, Devin. Good to see you guys over there on Instagram. Do not go short on this. Jim Huber with the follow. Goltz, Ashman, Bo Rinder Goddard with the follow. Uber. This has been it's narrow again. Uber's been I might have to put this back on my watch list. This little guy. Let's see what we got. We're in position 1. Oh, yes, it is on Uber. Look at that beauty, huh? Let's see. 5-minute, you look good. 15. 1 hour. Uber, you got room up to 76.50 and then 77. 76.50, then 77. Let me take a look at this daily. Yep, boy. See that right there? Whoop. What is that, everybody? What is that called right there? Be careful. To the upside. Be careful. Just saying. Uber's 20. Look at Uber's 20. Just saying, Uber's. All right. Andrew with the rose. AMD. AMD's been mad at me. She's like, I'm not giving you any narrow setups because you forget me every morning on the live, which is true. She's right. She is right about that. Mike Kula always has to remind me about AMD. I'm sorry, AMD. I'm sorry. This looks like a disaster right now. We are in a neutral state, position 2. 5-minute, 15, hourly, you got your 20 right there. 109.41. 109.41. Terrible setup. To the downside, under 107, you have room down to 106.50. There's nothing here for me on AMD today. Garbage. Garbage. How we doing, YouTube? Oh, we're kicking ass over there. Let me see YouTube. What's up, KB? What's up, Bulldog? SM, how are you? Another day of my newfound 5-minute patience. Jared, you're doing great, baby. You're starting to kick some booty. Patience is key in trading, everybody. If you got no patience or discipline, you better go do something else. AVGO, let's see what we got. Oh, if you're here for the first time, remember the VIP is open. And then we'll do AVGO. Right here, head over to thevosstrading.com. That is where you get into our VIP. Remember, we have one VIP live training this week, Tuesday, tomorrow night. We're not doing one Thursday. So Tuesday night, 7:15 p.m. Eastern Time, live VIP training by me in the live training room for a VIP. You're going to head over to thevosstrading.com. That link is in my bio. You can click on it or type that into your browser. $25 a month, $275 for the year will give you a stock trading education of a lifetime. How'd you guys like that new VIP education video, huh? You can wrap your mouth around that one for a while. Here we go. We are in a neutral state on AVGO. We are in position 2 to the upside. There's that 5-minute right in the way. 230.18. Major resistance. See the last time you tried it? Woo! Do not, under any circumstances, trade into the granddaddy of them all. Amazon! Jared's getting it now. React, share, and like the stream, baby. That's it, Jared. Love you, my brother. One thing I posted in the VIP yesterday was 90% of traders try to predict the future. 10% of traders, professionals, trade the setup. Remember that. All you people trying to predict the future, you ain't never going to do it. I'm not, you're not, none of us are that smart to predict this market. All you can do is know your A-plus setup, react, hammer it, and get in. We are at position 1 to the upside right now in a narrow state here on Amazon. On the 5-minute, you look good. 15-minute, hourly, problem with Amazon, look at that 8 right there. Look at this 8 right here. 230.50, major resistance on Amazon. To the downside, under 228.68 right here, you have room down to 228 whole number. A lot of these guys, you have the Powderhound ski slope, so you got to be careful, okay? A lot of your 20s are under your 200s. It's sloppy Monday. It's sloppy Monday. Remember that. You got to be patient. You got to let the slop all figure itself out, and then you wait for your setup. Folks, that's what you're going to have to do. I'm sorry. You know, there is no guarantee. There is no get-rich-quick scheme. If you're looking for that in trading, you're in the wrong place. You're going to lose. You're going to keep losing. Losey. IWM. Right here, you're going to get the truth. I'm not going to charge you $200 a month to educate you on this, okay? Because I don't want your $200 a month. Right now, I'm not going to charge you $200 a month to learn equities, $200 a month to learn futures, $200 a month to learn Forex. It's all a scam. It's price action. It doesn't change. You don't need... Well, I don't understand that. I still don't understand that. Someone's got to explain that to me. Maybe I should start doing this. I'll break up my Discord into 5 different commodities and charge everyone $200 a month. Right now, never! I will never do that to you. We are in a neutral state. We are in position 2 to the upside. 5-minute, you got room right up to 228.07. Do you see it? Then you're pulling back. Sorry. You're not going very far, guys. Your 20's under your 200. This has to catch up, and then you'll get a nice move to the upside. Oh, my little babies. I love you guys in here. I love you. 40,000 likes. Let's go. Tap, 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 tap. Let's go, my babies. XRP looks like hell. Start trading real stocks, my brothers. JPM. You'll listen to me eventually. You will. You all will. I know you will. because you're going to get so desperate enough. Right now on JPM, we are in a narrow state. Yes, it is. We are in position 2. 15, too far. Too far. Need a pullback on this baby. Our VIPers know what too far means. Too far. On your way back down, though, watch this pivot right here. See that bad boy? Watch that pivot coming back down. 227.42, okay? Not a whole number or anything, so you'll break right through that. On JPM, on the hourly, you do have room up to 278.62. To the downside, you have room to 273.69 right here. But, I mean, you're in position 2 to the upside. Your 20's got to catch up. Nyeh. No liking. George Nizer, all luck. Google, all luck. He must have tried trading and got his face ripped off. Poor Georgie Porgy put it in pie. You know the rest of that one. All right, here we go. We are in a neutral state on Google. Powderhound ski slope. You are starting position 3 to the upside. 5-minute granddaddy. Boom. 190.61. You will most likely reject off that level on a Google. Market. Georgie Porgy. What's up, Georgie? BNZI. BNZI. Noah Chukwu save. Noah Chukwu save. Noah Chukwu save. Hara! Big Mouse with the follow. Someone blocked NWA. Choo-choo quackwe. Walmart, here we go. Probably on a donkey. All right, here we go. Walmart. Let's see what we got. You know what I'm saying? Here we go. We are in a neutral state on Walmart. You are in. Let's see if Davion caught that one that I said. I don't know if he did, though. We are in the whip zone. We got to get over 102.04 up. We got to get under 101. Not under the whole number. Not under the whip zone. Whole number, 101 to the downside. On the 5-minute, you're not going very far to the upside. You got 102.15, the granddaddy of them all right there. To the downside, you got room. 15, room, hourly. Under the whip zone, you have room to this pivot. $100.86 right here. A little pivot you got here. Then you have room down to 99.78 on Walmart. You're in a neutral state in the whip zone. Remember the state of your stock. Nicole Mumby, where the hell have you been? Thank you for the rose. Yes, Starbucks, we did it already. We'll do it again in a little bit. Reddit. It's funny. As soon as I hear Black Bear, Reddit, GameStop, immediately, you know what comes to my mind? Amateur. Professionals don't say, are you trading Reddit today? Are you guys trading Reddit? Big Bear? Are you trading them today? We are in a neutral state. We are in position 2 to the upside. 5-minute looks good. 15, you're too far. You're coming back on this. Hourly, yep. Too far. Bring it back. Bring it back. Neutral. Whoop. Bring it back. That was easy. Bishnu Lam Machain with the follow. Thank you, Bishnu. I love you, Bishnu. If they're making money, who cares? But you're not making money. That's the problem. In your mind, you're making yourself believe that. But you're not making money near Nairani. You're not making money, Nairani. You have convinced yourself subconsciously that you are, but you're not. I know that, and you know that. SMCI. There is a 8% chance you're making money consistently in the market, Narami, and I'm going with that 92% that you're not. He's on fire! Narrow! SMCI. 38.49. SMCI, narrow state. You're in position 3 to the upside. Let's go to our hourly. Ooh, you're at this pivot right here. Double top. 38.50, double top. Then you got room up to 39. You're in position 3. You're getting a pullback on this. I know this. You know this. The world knows this. Except the amateurs. They're going to try to continue to go long on this. Next, Lino Rocha with the lightning. Thank you, my Lino. You're like, I love this guy. Guys, listen, you can't bullshit me. I've been doing this we're going to be 21 years. I could just tell by the way some of you type that you're not successful in the market. I could just tell by what you trade that you're not successful in the market. We are in a narrow state here in position 1 on the 5-minute, the 15, pivot 22.57. So let me put the hourly back on this for you. You're in a narrow state on this. Your next stop is $22.50, then $22.88, $23. You don't want to trade this. I mean, you're fighting for pennies here. Is it going to go up 4 cents? Am I going to get 4 cents using Weeble? Am I going to get 4 cents using Thinkorswim? By the time that goes up 4 cents and you try to take profit, you're already going to be losing. You're not going to be able to get out of it. Kate with the chili. Let's go. My win rate varies from anywhere between 65% and 72%. Varies right in that range, but it doesn't really matter what your win rate is. All about your risk management. I can have a win rate of 40% and be profitable. Win rate is okay. You should be asking me, Troy Bose, what's your risk management like? Amazing. What's your risk management like? Terrible. I know the answer already. Brain with the follow. E3 with the follow. Bull Soldier, XOM. I don't want to be anything other than anything trying to be lately. I can't get past anything past me, folks. I'm sorry. You may in the other Discords, but not this one. Let me see something here. Oh, we got to move this up. Boom. Right there. Right now, XOM, you are narrow. You are in position 2 to the upside. On the 15-minute, you look good. 1 hour, you got, you got these pivots right here. 110. 110 major resistance on XOM. 110. Sorry. I wouldn't want to trade until 110, starting position 3. But all of you that have pre-market data on, it's going to look nice, but it won't work, trust me. What's up, Teddy Flows, Oracle, and Elf? I know what you're going through, guys. I know. Trust me. That's why I'm so brutally honest on here. I've been through it. Narrow state on Oracle. It's 178. You're way up there in position 3. What do we know about position 3 in a narrow state? You can get another leg up. Watch the gap and nap on Oracle. Gap and nap, okay? You have room up to 179, and then you're going to hit a 1 hour major pivot and hold number. I'm going to put Oracle on watch for a short around 179. This is not financial investment or tax advice. This is for education purposes only. 179 level, I'm looking at Oracle, my first on watch. 179. Thank you, Kate, with the chili. You got it, EXO. I got to keep you humble because if I don't, Miss Market will. Mara, that's why I am the way I am. I truly want you all to succeed. I do. That's why I'm doing this. But I'm not going to tolerate all the amateurs because they're losing every day. And to make themselves feel better, they're going to try to convince you that they're winning. They're not. 92% of all traders will fail. 92. So you're telling me these people that come in saying they made this and that are in the 8%? They can't even put a sentence together. They can't even put a sentence together. Mara, we are in position 1, flat 200. On the 5-minute, oh, you got major support on the 5, too. Look at that. That's 2, VIP. That's 2. Will you get the triple Limby? Let's see. Will the 15-minute have it also? Are we ready? Are we ready? No. But you got 2 coming off the 200. Keep an eye on that on Mara, all right? On Mora, you will have room up to 1740, 1750. You're fighting for pennies here, guys. On these stocks, you're fighting for pennies. AMD, yes. AMD, we are in that neutral state. We are in position 2 to the upside. 5-minute, watch this pivot right here, 180.40. 15-minute, 180.40. You got to watch these pivots right here, okay? Watch these pivots on AMD going up. You also got your 20 there, 109.41. This is going to chop around for a while. I'm not even looking at it. I'm just looking at Oracle, the short, all the amateurs going long. Possibly. MK Malik with the follow. Tesla? Yeah, we can do Tesla again. I got you, Tesla. I got you, Tesla. Tesla, you're in a wide state. You are in position 2 to the downside. Would I take this lower? No. On the 5-minute, 15. You're looking for major support now. Here we go. You ready? Woo! Major support. Oh, I can't see that. Hold on. Next level of support is 357. 357 on Tesla. Don't take it short. I'm telling you right now, don't take it short. You'll thank me later, okay? You could just say thank you, Voss, and that's all I need. We are at 48,000 taps. We were at 40,000 about 5 minutes ago. What happened? What happened? If you're not tapping, you're napping. Let's go. Thank you, sweet petals. I love you. If you want to learn how to do this, seriously, no kidding, all kidding aside, and you don't have 25 a month or 275 a year to spend in our VIP, you shouldn't be trading in the first place. Really. If you're scrapping for pennies, trading isn't for you. I got to train you first while you build up some equity, so you at least have a fighting chance. But you know you're going to lose. I know you're going to lose, and it's about time you stop losing. Really. Seriously. It's not a joke. Delta Airlines. If you have a freebie mindset, trading is not for you. You will be broke forever. I promise you that. Delta, here we go. If you're always looking for the deal. We are in a narrow state on Delta. 68.50. You want to get over that $0.50 to the upside. Under $68 to the downside on Delta. On the 5-minute, you look good. We just got to let her make her move. We don't know which way we're going here. On the hourly on Delta, you have room up to $69. Under the whip zone, you have room to $67.70. A lot of traffic here, guys. A lot of traffic right here, right in here. I will give you down to $67.50 on Delta Airlines. All right, you're narrow, though. You're narrow, so you're going to get a good move. You just got to find out when you're going to get that good move. Right, me, daddy? Do you hear me, daddy? CVS. And patience. Wait for your A+ setup. There's no A+ setup there. CVS, no likey. What's wrong with CVS? As soon as you pull up this chart and put your whip zone levels in place, immediately Would I say, I'm going to trade that at the open? No, I wouldn't. You're in a wide state. 54.25, okay? 5 minute, you got to pivot right here. 54.34 and 54.50. But on the hourly, right here at 54.64, you have your hourly 20. There's resistance there. I'm not trading CVS when it looks like this in a wide state. Are you kidding me? Turt Runner with the TikTok music. Thank you, Turt. Jerry Jur. How are you, Jerry Jur? I appreciate you. I like that. Jerry Jur. Jerry Jur. Tell my father I'll do the best I can. We are in a wide state. Same thing on SPY. Same thing. You're not going anywhere here. Yeah, you have, where is it? Was it the daily? Where was it? I can't remember now. Was it SPY? It might not have been SPY. On your daily, you got room up to 605. And then you got one pivot and pivots right there. Do you see it? This is a wall right here. I'm going to draw this in nice and nice. There's your wall on SPY. Boom! Who's trading into that? Anybody? Bueller! Bueller! Anyone trading into that on SPY? I have a question for everybody. Are you ready? I know I'm not. I know I'm not. Not with a state that looks like that. No way. How many of you yesterday were looking at your Super Bowl boxes going, oh, please let me win. Please let me win. I need one more touchdown. That was not a good. If you got like a 4-0 or a 7-0, that was not a good Super Bowl for boxes. What else are we doing, my babies? Keep tapping. Let's go. How we doing, YouTube? Oh, Elf. I'm sorry, Tenny Flows. I got your Elf right here. Tenny Flows, VIP or oh, she knows where to find them. She knows. Look at that. We don't have to put a whip zone in here. You're in the whip zone currently. All right, but look at this right here. Whoop. Whoop. Whoa. Whoa. Hold on. I'm coming back to your Elf. Look at that. Tenny Flows. She knows what she's doing now. She just, whoa, look at that beauty. Under 70 down, above 72.06 up. You're in the whip zone. No one knows which way you're going. 5 minute looks good. 15, Tenny Flows. You're in the wheelhouse. Yes, it is. Elf. Get over 7. Yeah. All right. So, important, everybody. Above 72.06, you have room up to 73.16. Hourly 8 is in your way right there. To the downside, you have room down to $68. Hold number. Tenny, you got it? 68 down, 73 up. If you get under 73 up, Tenny, you got room up to 81.55. Under 68.08, call it $68 a whole number, you have room down to 63.50. I like Elf. I wouldn't trade it, but I like Elf right now, the way it's set up. Tenny, watch that Powder Hound ski slope. You need that 200 to flatten out a little bit, okay? But you're narrow. Once that 200 starts flattening out, you're going to go. So just watch out. IWM. Tenny Flows is a VIPer. She knows exactly what I was just saying. Are you still in here, Tenny? There she is. You're welcome. And she has a 101 under her belt, so she's rocking and rolling now. IWM, you are in a neutral state because she wants to win. She wants to win, and now she is. We are in position 2 to the upside. Neutral state on IWM. Let me give you all a little hint. No, never mind. Got the 15-minute 200 underneath you. Be careful, folks. Shorten this back down because we're getting a pullback on it. You got your 15-minute 200 right here. Do you see it? So that's going to be a little choppy around here. You're going to chop a lot on IWM. So let the chop do its thing right in this area. And then once your 20 catches up, look at me right here. Once your 20 catches up to your 200, you'll be in a narrow state. You'll also hopefully be coming off the 15-minute 200. Where do you think you're going? All right? But if you get under this 15-minute 200, now it's resistance back to the upside. So keep that in mind as well. Going to be a lot of chop today. A lot of chop today. This is the day that novice traders lose it all. This is the type of day. Coming into Monday, you have to be careful. Do you understand me, everybody? You have to wait for your A-plus setups, man. I can't stress this enough every day. And until everyone comes in, all right, patience, patience. And then they wind up messaging me. Voss, you were so right about patience. Right, Jared? Right, Jared? Are you in here, Jared? Jared believes in patience now. Apple. What's up, Marshall? Once again, folks, the VIP is open. Whether you want to get in or not, that is up to you. Eventually you will. The VossTrading.com, right there in my bio. YouTube, Twitch, Instagram. It's all in there and all that link. Or just go to the VossTrading.com. You will get access to 2 nights a week, every Tuesday and Thursday night. Live training by me in our VIP Discord. You will have access to our entire course content. You will have access to all the live training recordings. You will upload your trades every day in VIP trades, and we will mark them up for you, okay, and tell you what you did right and wrong. All the VIPers, journals will be coming back this week, so all your journal results will be coming back this week. Remember, for your journals, VIP, I only want your cumulative results. I don't want just the month. I want ever since you started. Going forward, I want all your months in one. Thank you for the follow. The Q's, Christopher Press. What's up, my friend? You're in a wide state on the Q's. You're up here in position 2, Christopher, okay? You're going to get a pullback most likely on this to the downside. Your 20's got to catch up to your 200. On the 15, you have room back down to your 200, 526, 28. By the time this comes back and regroups, your 20 should be caught up to your 200 on your 2, okay? On the 15, you're just too far away on the Qs. You need a pullback on this. Pullback. Woohoo! Woohoo! JPM. I'm doing good, Christopher. How are you doing, my friend? Hope you're doing well. Hope your trading's going well. You are in a neutral state right now on JPM. You are in position 2 to the upside. 15-minute, you got to pivot right here. 277.50 on JPM. I'm not liking this because, no, I just don't like it. You do have room up to 279, but you're not going to get there, I don't think. Or you'll get a topping tail off of it. What I'm liking today is some moves at the open to the downside. That's just a little hint. I'm looking at Oracle. Let's see what Oracle's doing right now. Oracle, we're narrow, but we're so far up into position 3, okay? We are above this pivot right here now. See it on Oracle? We are above this pivot right here. So I'm looking for my next resistance point. First thing I'm going to is a whole number. What's around 178? Not much, but at 179, remember, I got a daily pivot and a whole number. So I'm not going to look to short really off 178. I'm going to let this run up in its narrow state up to 179 and then look for a possible short with an event to the downside. This is not financial investment or tax advice, but you're in position 3, okay? VIPers, you think they all understood that right there? VIPers, you think they understood that? BTC, help, help, help. Well, why are you in it? Well, why are you in it if you need help? Look at BTC. All roads lead back to the 20. That's what happened with BTC. All roads lead back to the 20. folks, I can help you, man. I really can. Thank you, Moto, Rich Runner, Turt Runner. We have Rich. Wait a minute. Hold on here. We got a competition going on. We got Turt Runner versus Rich Runner. I love it. Thank you for the rose and the TikTok music. Kate Lino Rocha, Nicole Mumby. That's like a good UFC name right there. Nicole Mumby. No, I don't watch UFC. Andrew Westner, Toad, Powder, Candy, User. Andrew Westner again. He's all over the map here. I love it. Kate, Mark Meza, Davion, Carrie, Gills. And we got the first gifter of the day. I have a feeling you're going to see a lot more of this guy. JDM. Yes, it is. The VIP is open, folks. Let me help you. The link is in my bio, thevosstrading.com. After 2 or 3 months, you're going to say, why did I listen to this guy on TikTok for so long and not join? What took me so long to join? They all say that. They all say that. And now you have all the proof in here of everyone who did what you did. I love you guys. We'll be back on tomorrow morning. VIP, we'll see you in the chat here in about 5 minutes. Have a great day trading, everybody. It's going to be choppy. Wait for your A-plus setups today. All right, it's Monday. You want to start Monday off strong. What's up, Bulldog? Have a great day, everybody.